What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where the Maserati Grecale could very well be delayed yet again by the own factory that makes it. Now, before we get started, these latest spy photos are from about 3 days ago from the usual leaker Gabe TZ spy unit. I'll leave the description to his Facebook page down in the description below. And to add some overview, we also had a video a few days ago showing Maserati of Cincinnati, Ohio's reservation form that says that the Maserati Grecale was coming in February of 2022, which left us to believe that there would be maybe 6 weeks left until we could actually see the Grecale in full production form. Remember, the Grecale was originally supposed to debut back last November 16th. Then, the fear of the semiconductor crisis that could cause some problems had Maserati deciding to postpone its launch until next spring, which is coming up in a couple of months. Now, in the past few hours, not particularly positive news has arrived from Cassino regarding the future of this model. In fact, in Cassino, production of the Maserati Grecale should begin by the end of next March, so the Stellantis group had announced in recent months. However, Cassino suggests that it's unlikely that the deadline will be met. Now, this is because the production of the pre-production model has not yet started, so it seems difficult that the actual production can start in March. Now, the provincial secretary of Fiom-Cgil, Donato Gatti, about the Maserati Grecale debut has hinted that it will postpone a few more months. In short, it seems increasingly complicated that the segment D SUV that should compete with the Porsche Macan in the luxury compact SUV segment can arrive by the summer. Now, among other things, with regard to the Cassino plant where the model will be produced, the unions continue to say that the mere arrival of the Maserati SUV is not enough to guarantee full occupation of the plant in the coming years. It would take at least one other model. Recall, according to rumors, the new Alfa Romeo Giulietta could be produced in the factory. Obviously, these are simple indiscretions given that the return of the famous model of the Cassino for the moment has not been officially confirmed. But with that said, what do you guys think about the Maserati Grecale possibly being delayed until summer? Let me know what you guys think about the words from the Cassino plant itself down in the comments below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on that Maserati Grecale debut delay. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down below. I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, and my Venmo, just in case you guys want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate the love and support. Thank you so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rides merch in case you guys want long sleeve shirts, stickers, hoodies, tank tops, t-shirts, everything Ron's Rides is there. I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. See everything I'm posting, Ferrari, Maserati, and Alfa Romeo, that doesn't always make it here to the channel. And make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you don't miss one video. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rides video. Peace.